Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will create Put API using Node.js with Mongoose. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.js file. Next, open your terminal and install Express and Mongoose package. For Express, write npm I, install, Express command and press enter. Next, for Mongoose write npm I mongoose command and press enter. In package.json file, you can see we successfully install Express and Mongoose packages. Next, create a config.js file for Spirit database connection. First, import Mongoose package. Next, create a connection with database. In connect method we can pass the path of our server. Here, I can use a local server, so I pass localhost path. Here, I want to connect to ecom database, which have one collection named products. And in this collection we can get the product name, price brand and also get a category of the product. In connect method we can pass mongob / localhost 27017/ecom. Ecom is the name of database which we want to connect. Next we create a new file with name products.js. In this file we create a schemas and model for products. First, we import Mongoose packages. Next, create a schema. In this schema, we enter which data we can get from the user and set its type, example, string, number, etc. In this product collection, we want to save the name of product, price, brand and category of product. Next, exports the model module. Here you have a question why we export model module. Because model contains a schema, due to this reason we export model module. In model, we have two parameters, first contain collection name and second contain our schema. Next, open your index.js file. First import Express package. Then, import config.js file. Next, import model from products.js file. Next, create an app. Next, select a port where you want to run your application. I choose 5000. In our database you can see I have some record. I want to update this record using Put API. Next, I use app put method. In this method our first parameter is root, which name update. In next parameter we use callback function, and this function contain two parameter request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use res.send method to check our Put API work properly or not. Open your terminal and run index.js file. Next, open your postman and click on plus sign. Select put method and enter the URL of your app here. I write http //localhost 5000/update. Here update is our root name. Click on send button. In bottom container you can see we successfully get the result, that mean our put method worked properly. I pass ID in a param, so I write here a ID. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method I use reqparam method to get the ID which we can send through postman. I comment res.send method. For getting any data from postman, first we need to convert it in JSON format. I use appuse method, and in this method I use express JSON method. Open uPostman. In search field I send a ID of record which one we want to update. For this open database and copy the ID of any record which one you want to update. Here I choose first record. Then, passed here. Click on send button. In terminal you can see I get the ID successfully. Now, I match this ID with a database record ID and update those record. For this I can use update1 method, and in this method we have two objects. In first object we pass a condition, mean which data we want to update, and in send object we set the value of those record. Here, I select the record using ID, so I write reqperms method. Next I create another object in which we can set the record. In this we can use reqbody method because we get data dynamically through postman and update the record. I want to change the name of first product, and also change its brand. Next, open postman and click on body, next click on raw, and select JSON format. Here, I write product name and brand name, then I send this data in database using put API. Click on send button. I can't get any change because update1 method return promise. For this first we need to make a function async. Again open postman and click on send button. Next, open database and refresh it. You can see, our first record name change and brand also. With the help of put API you can update any record. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.